Smart farms? How AI is transforming agriculture. Farming isn't just soil and sweat anymore. Today's farms use AI, drones, sensors, and machine learning to grow food more efficiently. It's called smart farming, and data annotation is right at the heart of it. So, how does AI work on a farm? Farms now use AI-powered tools to detect plant diseases, monitor crop health from above using drones, predict the best time to plant or harvest, spot weeds automatically, even drive autonomous tractors. But how do these systems know what a healthy crop looks like or what weeds to spray? That's where data annotation comes in. How data annotation powers smart farming. Before AI can tell a diseased tomato plant from a healthy one, humans have to label thousands of plant images. They tag things like leaf spot, pest damage, dry soil, ready for harvest, weed versus crop. Once trained on this labeled data, the AI can scan a whole field using just a drone and identify issues with shocking accuracy. It's like having thousands of eyes watching every plant 24/7. Other AI tools in agriculture. Soil sensors,
AI analyze moisture,
pH, and nutrients to tell when and where to irrigate. Yield prediction models, AI forecasts crop production weeks in advance. Autonomous machinery, tractors that drive themselves. Yep, it's real and powered by annotated satellite and field data. Why this matters? Global food demand is rising. Farmers are under pressure to grow more with less land, less water, and fewer chemicals. AI helps them do that by reducing waste, catching diseases early, and making smarter decisions. And none of this would work without clean, labeled training data. So, next time you bite into a perfect apple or see food prices drop, thank the unseen force behind it, AI and the annotators training it.
You learned something new. Tap like, hit subscribe, and drop a comment below. See you in the next video.